Hello and welcome. Greg here from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool, bringing you this fantastic Volkswagen Transporter Combi that is now available at our dealership. This particular example is the Combi Highline short wheelbase, finished here in candy white colour and powered by a 2-litre TDI diesel engine with 110 PS worth of power. In terms of equipment, there's plenty for you to enjoy. The Light and Vision package will unlock the benefit and convenience of automatic headlights, rain-sensitive wipers and even daytime running lights. As one of our approved used vehicles, it will benefit with up to 12-month warranty and roadside assistance too, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Around the side here, you also have got these bespoke 17-inch alloy wheels, which will really complement the candy white colour, with bespoke transporter badging available on the sides too. There's privacy tinted windows available for the passengers in the rear, and the sliding door will also reveal a roomy cabin offering loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3. For added bonus, the cuff upholstery is finished in two-tone, and there's also 2 Isofix child anchor points to bring the little ones along. Moving towards the rear of the cabin, you will also have got a stylishly designed rear light element to give your car a distinctive look. With an easy opening tailgate, will reveal plenty of cargo storage space for all your needs. There's also ambient lighting available that's LED too. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also reveal a premium interior with a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, large touchscreen, and front seats will offer additional side lumbar support for comfort. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Volkswagen Transporter. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once behind the wheel of this Transporter Combi, there's plenty to enjoy. Stylishly designed cabin is solidly put together while still maintaining a premium feel. Driver control panel is easy to reach and will benefit from self-unlocking function, as well as electrically adjustable heated and even power folding wing mirrors, which add to the overall convenience. Automatic lights, along with front and rear fog lights, are easily operated from the rotary dial, with the steering wheel being multifunctional and operating trip computer from the right side, with the left side operating the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter. Digital speedometer will complement the analog dials, and various other safety systems will be on offer to protect you and your occupants, such as speed limiter and even city emergency braking. Audio, music and Bluetooth contacts can also be operated from the wheel whilst on the move. On top of the dashboard, there's clever solutions fitted, such as integrated cup holders with document pouches and even a 12-volt connector, which is great for charging tablets. There's plenty of nooks and crannies available for plenty of loose items and storage, and the touch-sensitive touchscreen also features physical shortcut buttons on either side, which are great when on the move. For all your music needs, the radio system will feature both AM, FM and the DAB digital radio reception, with additional media source functionality, unlocking various add-ons such as those that you can see on the screen. The phone pairing process is also incredibly easy to pair for phone, telephony and Bluetooth, and the car will even benefit from Android Auto and Apple CarPlay smartphone interface. To help you park, audible and visual front and rear sensors will always provide that extra reassurance. Various other settings are on offer, such as Vehicle Once, which will allow you to optimize and personalize the feel of this transporter to make it your own. For those music fans amongst you, you can also optimize the sound quality of the speakers by playing around the treble, mid and bass functions. Various other features will also be available to play with. Moving down the cabin, easy-to-use air conditioning system is operated via the 3 rotary dials here, and they even benefit from a full heated front windscreen, which is great on those frosty mornings. Additionally, the vehicle benefits from engine start-stop technology, maximizing fuel efficiency and economy, with even 2 USB Type-C connectors to make sure your device stays topped up at all times. This has been a presentation of the Volkswagen Transporter Combi Highline that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 0151 515 2911, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.